Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss two crystal structures. First, sodium chloride and next, diamond crystal structure. Okay, so let us see. First, sodium chloride structure. NaCl has a cube unit cell. It is best thought of as a face-centered cubic array of anions with an interpenetrating FCC cation lattice. Vice versa. The cell looks the same whether you start with anions or cations on the corners. So it does not matter whether you first put Cl minus ion at the corner or sodium ion at the corner. It does not matter. Sodium chloride has a simple cubic lattice structure. Imagine a set of cubes with alternating Na and Cl ions at the corner. Cl minus ions are present on all the 12 edge centers here. Edge center, here edge center, and also in center of the cube. Na plus ions are present on all the 8 corners as well as all the 6 face centers. Okay. Now we will discuss about coordinates of atoms. Here, this is a figure. Sodium chloride is an example of face-centered cubic Barabius lattice. The basis consists of one sodium atom and one Cl atom separated by one half the body diagonal of a unit cube. There are 4 NaCl molecules in a unit cube. So let us see here. Na 0, 0, 0, Cl half, half, half. Okay. So you can see from this figure. Okay. This is corner 0, 0, 0. So these are about coordinates of the solid atoms. Now we will discuss about number of atoms per unit cell. As the atoms present on edge contribute one-fourth of their volume to each surrounding unit cell. The atoms present at the center of unit cell contribute full one atom because it is not surrounded by any other cube. The atoms present at face center contribute half of its volume to each surrounding unit cell. Because when atom is present on any face center, it will be shared by another cube adjacent to next cube. That is a half of portion on both the cubes. The atoms present at the corners contribute 1/8 of their volume because there are 7 other cubes at the corner from all sides. So total 8. That is why we take here 1 by 2. Let us calculate. The number of sodium ions present in one unit cell, 12 into 1 by 4 plus 1, that is 4 atoms per unit cell. The number of Cl minus ion present in one unit cell, 6 into half plus 8 into 1 by 8, that is again total 4 atoms per unit cell. So this is 4, this is 4. So each unit cell has 4 atoms of each Na plus and Cl minus ion. Hence, there are total 4 molecules of NaCl in each unit cell. So this was about number of atoms per unit cell. Now next we will talk about molar mass. As we know, of sodium is 23 and Cl is 35.5. So total it is 58.5. Again we know that Avogadro number is this, which is fixed. Then number of molecules in 1 gram. This by divided by 58.5 on solving we get this. Okay. As we found above that each unit cell contains 4 molecules NaCl, hence we can now easily find the number of unit cell containing 1.03 into 10 to 22 molecules. Actually, we are going to divide this value by 4 because 4 molecules of NaCl. So we get 2.575 into 10 to 21 unit cell. So 2.575 into 10 to 21 unit cell contain 1 gram of NaCl molecules. Okay, this was about NaCl crystal. Now we are going to start diamond structure. Diamond cubic structure is obtained when two FCC sublattices interpenetrates along the body diagonal by 1/4 of QA. So first we will see number of nearest neighbor. The three-dimensional picture is obtained by inserting one FCC lattice into another FCC lattice, displaced along the space diagonal by quarter of its length, as I told you here. Therefore, each item has 4 nearest neighbors and 12 next nearest neighbors. Therefore, the coordination number of each carbon atom is 4 and the nearest neighbor distance is root 3a by 4. Here you can see the two-dimensional picture and this one is the three-dimensional picture of sodium. You can see here red mark. These are the face-centered atom because it is at the face, and black mark atom located to four other atoms bonded to chain atoms bonded outside of Q. This one, this one, this one. So figure shows atoms, four atoms dark bounded to four other within the volume of the cell. So you can see the figure. This is two-dimensional picture. Here, this is half in middle. Here half, here half, here half. This is 1/4 of the diagonal. Here 1/4, and this is 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. This is the two-dimensional view of the diamond crystal structure. Now, number of atoms per unit cell. There are 8 carbon atoms at the corners, creating a cube. The 6 carbon atoms in the faces create an octahedron. The 4 internal carbon atoms lie at 1/4 of the distance along body diagonal, forming a tetrahedron. Since there are atoms at all 8 corners, all 6 faces, in addition to that there are 4 full atoms inside the unit cell. Therefore, total number of atoms present in the unit cell is 1/8 into 8 corner atom, 1/2 into 6 face atom, plus 4 full atom inside. So it is 1 plus 3 plus 4, that is 8. This is the value of n. Okay, number of unit atoms per unit cell. If we try to find atomic packing factor, we have to remember the formula. Total volume occupied by atom in unit cell and volume of the unit cell. Total volume occupied by atom means first we will see how many atoms are present in unit cell and then we will multiply it with volume of one atom and it is volume of unit cell. So n into 4 by 3 pi q by a q. Here n already we have calculated, n is equal to 8, so we will take n is equal to here 8. Now we are going to calculate r. To calculate r, here I have written we need n and r. N already we have obtained, so we are going to calculate r. Okay. To calculate r, let us see the figure. This is r, this is a by 4, this is a by 4, this is a by 4. So xz, this one is x. By mistake, it is not printed here. This one is x. So remember this one, here x. Xz square is equal to a by 4 whole square, a by 4 whole square is equal to a square by 8. Now xy whole square is equal to this one, xy square, yz square plus xz square. So on putting the value, we get xy whole square is equal to 2r whole square, 4r square, or 4r square is equal to 3a square by 16, this one. Okay, so r is equal to root 3 by a, root 3a by 8. Once when we get n and r, we can calculate using this formula factor. So hence f is equal to 8 into this one by aq. After solving, we get this. Here 34%. 34% indicates that it is loosely packed. That is why I have written here. Thus, it is a loosely packed structure. So diamond is a loosely packed structure. So in this topic, we discuss first sodium chloride structure. So you can see here, as I discussed coordinates of the item, then number of items per unit cell, and after this we discussed diamond structure. In diamond structure, first we saw the number of nearest neighbors, then we calculated the number of atoms per unit cell, and finally we calculated atomic packing factor. Okay, so thank you.